how can we get the common monomial factor? That also go the same for my other members. Okay, so my only example here would just be 4x squared plus 6x. And here we need to get first the GCF. Okay, so to do this whole process, how to get the GCF, first put the 4x squared on the top here divided by 6x. That goes below the 4x squared. And here we need to encircle the matching numbers or letters. So 2 times 2 equals 4, so it goes like that. And 2x's is x squared, or x, 2x's, x2, yes. And how do we get 6? So 3 times 2 times x, since it only has one x. So let's encircle the ones that are the same. The number 2 and the x, so we get 2x as per our GCF. Here, that is our GCF. Okay. So for the next one we're gonna try is how to get the common monomial factor. So here it will be wait, let's put some parentheses and a plus in the middle there. Here it will be 4x squared divided by, let's put the GCF below here if we're gonna get the common monomial factor this time. Okay, we'll put the GCF of 2x. So 4x squared divided by 2x. And this time we will do canceling. So 2 times 2 times x times x. 2 times x. Cancel these. Matching numbers. Bring down 2 and x. That is our very first common monomial factor. Okay. Or we're gonna put it right over here on the top here. Okay, let's erase this one and then let's do the second one. So 6x divided by 2x. Canceling, we'll be doing canceling again. So 3 times 2 times x. Then 2x again. Cancel. Bring down 3. That is our second, or our last needed common monomial factor. Here, we'll put it up here too. So as you can see, this is our common monomial factor here. It is 2x parenthesis 2x plus 3 parenthesis.
Today we will be solving factoring polynomials with common monomial factors. So I have an example here to know and to learn how to solve polynomial factors. So I have here parentheses for x raised to 4 minus 14x squared. So sa part 1, we need to find the GCF of the two of them. So we need to write down So, para mahanap natin yung GCF, we need to know the prime numbers ng dalawa. So, 2 times 3 times x times x times x times x. And dito naman sa 4x squared, 14x squared is 2 times 7 times x times x. So, yan. Para mahanap natin ang GCF is we need to circle the same prime number. So, same. So, we have 2 and dalawang x. So, we need to do it here. 2 times x times x. So, para malaman natin yung GCF ng dalawa is, it will be 2x squared. So, ang GCF nito ang dalawang to is 2x squared. So, lagyan natin sa dito. Next naman, sa number 2, sa part 2, number 1, we need to do the cancelling. 6x raised to 4 divide 2x squared. 6x raised to 4 divide 2x squared. Same lang sa GCF, hanapin natin ang prime numbers. So, dito naman, 2 times x times x. For cancellation, we need to cancel yung magkaparehas ng prime numbers. So, cancel. So, ang natira sa atin is 3 times x times x. So, magiging 3x squared. Yan, nasagot natin sa number 1. So, lagyan natin sa dito. So, sa number 2 is we need to solve 14x squared divide 2x squared. So, bali sa GCF and sub number 1, we need to find the prime numbers ng dalawa. So, bali dito, cancel ulit. Cancel. So, ang tira sa atin is 7. So, yun yung sagot natin. Balot pa, kaya naging ganito yung sagot natin is 2x squared parenthesis 3x squared minus 7 parenthesis because 2x squared times 3x squared equals to 6x raised to 4. And 2x squared divide 7 equals to 14x squared.
Example here, which is 3x squared plus 6x. So, first, we need to find the GCF. Para mahanap yun, kailangan muna natin hanapin yung prime number. So, ang unang given is 3x squared. Which is, ang 3 is wala ng prime number kasi prime number na siya. So, i-root natin siya dito, like this. 3x squared. Ganon din sa 6x. Yan. Since nga ang 3 is already a prime numbers, yun lang yung prime numbers na ilalagay natin dito kasama yung x squared, which is ganito mangyayari. 3x. X. Kasi dalawa yung x niya. Kasi may squared siya. So, ganyan. So, sa 6 naman, ang prime number natin doon is 2 times 3 or which is 2 or 2 and 3. So, ayun. Ilalagay din natin siya. Then, x. Kasi may x siya dito na given. Isasama mo yan. So, ayun. Ganito. So, ayan. Bale, nasulat na natin lahat. Ngayon, titignan natin kung ano yung mga magkapareho sa kanila na magiging GCF. So, ang una natin nakita is x. Pangalawa ang 3. So, ang magkapareho na number sa given natin is 3 and x, which is yun yung GCF. GCF is equal to 3x. Then, i-root natin siya dito. Dahil yun ang proof na tama yung ginawa natin. So, ayun, 3x. then parenthesis for part 1 and part 2. So, let's proceed sa part 1. Ang gagawin dito is parang paghahanap lang din ng GCF, pero yung ilalagay mo or magiging sagot doon is yung natirang number, hindi yung magkapareho ng number na nakita mo sa prime numbers. So, ganito. Siyempre, ang unahin natin, kaya nga part 1 eh, kasi ito yung first given, tapos gaganto mo siya sa GCF para mahanap yung answer. So, i-write natin siya. 3x squared. Then, yung GCF, which is 3x. So, since nga ang 3 is already prime number, wala na tayong ilalagay na prime number, yun lang. Like this. 3. Siyempre, isama natin yung squared kasi belong sila. Siyempre, dalawa kasi squared. Then, sa 3 naman, 3x. Basta lang yung x eh. So, ayun nga. So, ang magkapareho dito is 3 tsaka x. So, bibilugan natin siya para palatandaan. So, ayan. So, ang natira na lang is x, which is yun yung answer. X. Then, ilalagay natin siya dito to prove nga na tama nga yung answer natin. Let's proceed sa part 2, which is ganun din yung gagawin. Yun. Pero, ang given naman na sasama mo dito sa GCF is yung 6x. Kaya may part 2. So, 6x, then 3x. So, ang prime number nga natin sa 6 is 2 and 3. So, 2 times 3 times x. Kasama na yung x dito nila. Then, sa 3 naman, since prime number na nga, 3 lang din. 3 lang naman. So, ayan. Ayan. So, ang magkaparehas natin dito is x tsaka 3. Bibilugan natin para sa palatandaan. Ayan. So, ang naiwan natin dito is 2, which is ilalagay natin dito. 2. And yan. Ang sagot natin. So, ito, ipoprove na nga natin here. So, 3x times x is equal to 3x squared, which is ito. Then, 3x times 2 is equal to 6x, which is tama.
Hanapin ng GCF ng dalawang ito. So, una muna natin gawin is hanapin natin ang GCF nitong dalawa. So, ang GCF ng 4 is 2 and 2. So, 2 times 2. And y squared. So, times dalawang y ang gagawin natin. So, 2 times 2 times y times y. So, ganun din ang gagawin natin sa baba. So, ang GCF ng 8 is 2 and 4. Tapos, y squared. So, 2 times 4 times y times y. So, kukunin lang natin yung magkaparehas. So, 2y equals 2y squared. So, itong sagot na to ang ilalagay natin dito. So, ang part 2 natin is i-divide natin ito sa dalawang ito. So, unahin muna natin yung 4y squared divided by 2y squared. So, hanapin ulit natin ang GCF nila. So, So, ang GCF ng 4 is 2 times 2 y squared times y times y. So, since ang 2 ay prime number, is kakopy na lang natin siya. 2y squared times y times y. So, ang kinaibahan ng part 1 sa part 2, sa part 1, kukunin mo yung magkaparehas. Sa part 2, tatanggalin mo yung magkaparehas. So, ang natira ay 2. Ang sagot natin dito ay 2. So, 8y squared naman divided by 2y squared. Hahanapin lang ulit natin ang GCF nitong dalawang ito. So, ang GCF ng 8 is 2 times 4 times y squared. And dahil 2 ay prime, copy lang ulit natin. Y squared times y times y. Cancel. 2y, y, equals to 4. So, ito ilalagay natin dito. Kung gusto nyo malaman, para malaman natin na tama ang sagot natin, ita-times lang natin ito at ito at ito. So, tingnan ko. Ayun, para malaman natin kung tama ang sagot natin is, ita-times lang natin yung 2y squared sa 2 at 2y squared sa 4. Simulan natin. 2y squared times 2 is equal to 4y squared. And 2y squared times 4 is equal to 8y squared. So, kung makikita nyo, parehas itong dalawang to dito. So, ibig sabihin nun, tama ang ating sagot.